Welcome back, explorers of the extraordinary. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating, the bizarre, and the awe-inspiring with a collection of random facts you probably didn't know. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to take a wild ride through the universe of the unexpected, right here on Earth. You might know octopuses for their intelligence and their uncanny ability to change color, but did you know these cephalopods possess 3 hearts? 2 pump blood through the gills, while the third circulates it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue, thanks to a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin, which binds to oxygen. This adaptation gives their blood a higher oxygen-carrying capacity in cold, low-oxygen conditions. So the next time you encounter an octopus, appreciate the complex symphony of life pulsing beneath its skin, driven by not 1 but 3 tireless hearts. Honey, that golden nectar enjoyed for millennia, holds a fascinating secret. It never spoils. Archaeologists have unearthed jars of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs thousands of years old, yet still perfectly edible. Honey's low water content is one key factor. Water is essential for the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, which are responsible for spoiling most foods. Honey's thick, viscous nature effectively dehydrates these would-be invaders. Adding to its longevity, honey boasts a high sugar content, creating an environment of high osmotic pressure. This means that water molecules are drawn out of any microorganisms that might try to survive within the honey. Honeybees add an enzyme called glucose oxidase to their honey, producing hydrogen peroxide as a byproduct. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a natural antiseptic, effectively killing off any remaining microbes. Pineapples, those symbols of tropical delight, have a surprisingly complex journey from the plant to your plate. Unlike many fruits that grow on trees, pineapples are the fruit of a terrestrial plant, a bromeliad to be precise. Each pineapple fruit is actually a cluster of individual berries that have fused together around a central core. As the pineapple grows, these berries, each with their own individual flower, merge into the single cohesive fruit we know and love. The process from flowering to harvest can take over a year, with each plant typically producing a single pineapple per year. Cultivating these tropical treasures requires a specific set of conditions: warm temperatures, ample sunlight, and well-drained soil. The pineapple's journey from the field to our tables is a testament to the intricate dance between nature's ingenuity and human cultivation. The Eiffel Tower, that iconic symbol of Paris, is a marvel of engineering, but it's also surprisingly sensitive to temperature fluctuations. The tower is constructed from iron, a metal known for its tendency to expand and contract with changes in temperature. On a hot summer day, the Eiffel Tower can actually grow taller. This phenomenon, known as thermal expansion, occurs because heat causes the atoms within the iron to vibrate more rapidly. As a result, the entire structure expands, and the Eiffel Tower can grow by as much as 6 inches in height. Engineers have incorporated expansion joints into the structure, allowing for these subtle shifts without compromising the tower's integrity. So, the Eiffel Tower isn't just a static monument, it's a dynamic structure constantly breathing with the rhythm of the changing seasons. Canada, renowned for its vast wilderness and towering mountains, also boasts another remarkable feature: the longest coastline in the world. Stretching over 125,000 miles, Canada's coastline is longer than the Earth's circumference. Its northern border dips into the Arctic archipelago, a vast expanse of islands scattered across the icy waters near the North Pole. Moving south, Canada's coastline is characterized by an intricate network of inlets, bays, and fjords, particularly along its Pacific and Atlantic coasts. These deep, narrow inlets carved by ancient glaciers weave their way inland, adding countless miles to the country's already impressive coastal measurement. This intricate tapestry of islands, inlets, and archipelagos makes Canada a true coastal giant. Our home planet is blanketed in a seemingly infinite expanse of sand, from the Sahara Desert's towering dunes to the tiny grains that cling to our toes after a day at the beach. But have you ever wondered if there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on Earth? The answer, astonishingly, is a resounding yes. Astronomers estimate that there are at least 100 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. To put that into perspective, scientists estimate that there are roughly 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on Earth. While both numbers are mind-bogglingly large, the number of stars in the observable universe absolutely dwarfs the number of sand grains on our little blue planet. The true size of the universe and the number of stars it contains remains one of the most profound mysteries in science. Cats, those masters of agility and grace, sometimes possess a charming quirk: extra toes. This genetic anomaly, known as polydactyly, is more common in cats than in any other mammal. Polydactyl cats, often referred to as Hemingway cats due to the famous author's fondness for them, can have anywhere from 1 to several extra toes on each paw. Polydactyly in cats is the result of a dominant gene mutation, meaning that if one parent carries the gene, there's a high probability their offspring will inherit it as well. This mutation affects the way limbs develop in the womb, leading to the formation of extra digits. The wider paw surface area can improve balance and grip, making them adept climbers and hunters. So the next time you encounter a cat with an extra toe or two, remember that you're witnessing a fascinating quirk of genetics. The blue whale, the largest animal to have ever graced our planet, is a testament to the awe-inspiring scale of life on Earth. Measuring up to 100 feet in length and weighing in at over 200 tons, a blue whale is longer than a Boeing 737 aircraft and heavier than 33 African elephants combined. Their hearts, the size of small cars, pump approximately 10 tons of blood throughout their massive bodies with each beat. Their calls, the loudest sounds produced by any animal on Earth, can reach over 180 decibels, louder than a jet engine. Blue whales are not only giants in size but also in appetite. They feed primarily on krill, tiny crustaceans that swarm in massive numbers. A single blue whale can consume up to 40 million krill per day, filtering them from the water using baleen plates in their mouths. Lightning, that electrifying spectacle of nature's power, is a force to be reckoned with. But did you know that a bolt of lightning can reach temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? The sun's surface burns at a scorching 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but a lightning bolt can reach a staggering 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. As a bolt of lightning streaks through the atmosphere, it creates a channel of ionized air, allowing electricity to flow. This flow of electrons collides with air molecules, generating immense heat and causing the air to expand rapidly, creating the thunderclap we hear after a lightning strike. The intense heat generated by lightning is also responsible for creating ozone, a form of oxygen that plays a crucial role in absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Time, that elusive concept that governs our lives, can feel fleeting and eternal all at once. We mark its passage in seconds, minutes, hours, days, and years. But have you ever stopped to consider the sheer number of seconds that make up a year? Prepare to be amazed. There are 31,536,000 seconds in a year. That's over 31 million individual moments, each a fleeting fragment of time, adding up to the grand tapestry of a year. Every second, countless events unfold across the cosmos. Stars are born, galaxies collide, and life, in all its forms, continues its relentless evolution. Each second is precious, a tiny capsule of time that, when strung together, creates the fabric of our lives and the history of the universe. So the next time you find yourself wishing for more time, remember the vast number of seconds that comprise even a single year. Wow, wasn't that a mind-blowing journey? From the 3 hearts of an octopus to the scorching temperatures of lightning, we've traversed the universe of the unexpected. Which fact was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow explorers. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content that will ignite your curiosity and leave you pondering the mysteries of the universe.